Hello guys, I'm going to show you how I did Java Assignment 6. This one took forever, and you're welcome for doing it just before finals week. So here was the assignment. We had to create a project called Assignment 6, design and implement an application that creates a histogram that allows you to visually inspect the frequency distribution of a set of values. It needs to look like that. Or do Eclipse. Alright. So here I have a few imported things. You may or may not need those depending on how you write your program, but I imported scanner and random generator. And so I declared my integers up here. And I scan, so I ask for the user to input how many random integers they want to analyze. And so then I generate how many random integers they put in. So like if they put in 12, then the program would generate 12 random integers. And so then I think it's called an array here, and this holds the count of numbers that are in the range. And so there's 10 of these. So it goes 0, as kind of down here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so it's for each group. So group 1 through 10, 11 through 20, 21 through 30, and so on. And so here I have in my for loop, I have I equals 0, and then I equals n. That was however many integers the user wanted to analyze. So if I put 12, n would equal 12, and so I would have to be less than 12. And so then I generate this random number, and then I print the numbers just so I can see the random numbers that I've generated. And so then for each one, like for group 1 through 10, the number has to be more than or equal to 1, and it needs to be less than or equal to 10. And then that would go in histogram 0. And so that's the same thing for each group of numbers. And then I have it print out my histogram, and this is how I get it to do the asterisks. So for the asterisks, we have the histogram or the array right here. And then it multiplies whatever that number was. Wait, no. Oh, it adds however many you got. So it counts however many you got in each group, and it stores them in histogram 6, and then it converts those to asterisks, which it then prints out. So if you had 4, it'll print out 4 asterisks. Right, and I'll just run it to show you. So it prompts me how many numbers would I like to analyze, and let's say 25. So then I get 25 random numbers, and it gives me the histogram of the data. So in the 1 through 10 range, we have 2. So if you look at here, here's 4, so that's 1. And then 3, that's 2. And then 11 through 20, we have 3. So we have 14, 11, and 12. So 3, it's doing it right. Yay! And that is the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.